Ever wondered if you could truly spend your crypto and other digital assets as easily as cash? Imagine walking into your favorite store, picking up groceries, or paying for your morning coffee directly with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even gold, without a complicated conversion process. For years, the idea of seamlessly spending digital wealth has been a tantalizing prospect for many. But the reality often involves multiple steps, transfers, and waiting times. This is where debit cards linked to crypto accounts come in, aiming to bridge the gap between the digital and traditional financial worlds. Uphold, a well-known multi-asset digital money platform, has been a significant player in this space, offering a way to manage and transact with various assets, including fiat, cryptocurrencies, and even precious metals, all from one place. Their promise of an anything-to-anything trading experience, where you can convert directly between different asset classes, has always been a major draw. But what about actually spending those assets in your everyday life? And more specifically, for those of you in the United States, is the Uphold debit card a reality you can tap into? For a while, the answer to that question for U.S. residents was a bit of a mixed bag. Uphold did launch a debit card in the U.S. back in 2020, positioning it as a groundbreaking tool that allowed users to spend from their various Uphold holdings wherever MasterCard was accepted. It was designed to simplify the process of using digital assets for everyday purchases, offering both virtual and physical card options. However, the landscape of crypto debit cards is constantly evolving, influenced by regulatory changes and company strategies. There was a period where the Uphold card for U.S. customers became unavailable or paused. This left many users wondering if they would ever regain that seamless spending capability. But here's the exciting update. Uphold has indicated that they are relaunching their crypto debit card in the United States. This is big news for anyone looking to make their digital assets more liquid and usable in the traditional economy. While the card was previously only supported in the UK, the company has explicitly stated its intention to bring it back to the US market. What does this mean for you? When it relaunches, the Uphold debit card for US users will likely offer similar benefits to its UK counterpart. This typically includes the ability to spend crypto, fiat, or precious metals directly from your Uphold wallet wherever MasterCard is accepted. You can often link it to Apple Pay or Google Pay for added convenience, and some versions even offer cashback rewards. These features aim to make spending your digital assets as straightforward as using a traditional bank card, removing the friction of manual conversions. It's important to remember that while Uphold generally operates across most U.S. states, there are some exceptions due to state-specific regulations. For instance, Uphold services, including the card, might not be available to residents of New York, Colorado, Louisiana, Nebraska, and Virginia, among other U.S. territories. Always check Uphold's official terms and conditions or support pages for the most up-to-date information on availability in your specific location. The relaunch signifies Uphold's continued commitment to integrating digital assets into daily financial life. It's a step towards greater financial freedom and accessibility for those holding cryptocurrencies and other alternative assets. Keep an eye on Uphold's official announcements for precise launch dates and any specific features or requirements for the U.S. debit card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.